The Google Pixel 9 series is going to be launching in the month of October, and we have 5 months away from its official launch, but the leaks are not stopping. Today we have got another leak which confirms the Pixel 9 series live images, which pretty much give us a good idea what the design probably going to be looking at. This earlier leak has puzzled many about how these devices have surfaced so prematurely. No doubt anticipation is high, particularly for the regular 9 Pro, which is positioned to deliver Google renowned camera technology in a more compact form factor. On the flip side, the Pixel 9 Pro stands out with its notable taller status compared to the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Earlier leaks this year provided a glimpse of what's to come with the Pixel 9 Pro, showcasing its flagship features including the distinctive pill-shaped rear camera bar. Now, the same source that initially unveiled the Pixel 9 Pro has shared live images hinting at the entire Pixel 9 series possibly set for unveiling during Google I/O 2024. According to a report on the website RCT, the lineup consists of 3 devices: the Pixel 9, 9 Pro and the 9 Pro XL. Alongside the images, specification and code names has also been discovered, shedding light on what each device might offer. For instance, the Pixel 9 codename T20 is slated to feature a 6.24-inch display and a 12GB of RAM. In contrast, the Pixel 9 and the 9 Pro XL codename Cayman and Kudo respectively boast large display of 6.34 inches and a 6.73 inches, each equipped with 16GB of RAM. Despite similarity in size between the Pixel 9 and the 9 Pro, the former is expected to sport slightly wider bezel. All the devices in the Pixel 9 series are anticipated to run on Google Tensor G4 chipset and boost a 120Hz AMOLED screen. While the rear design maintains some consistency with previous model, the introduction of the pill-shaped rear camera bar brings a fresh aesthetic to the upcoming series. Leaks hints at the dual rear camera setup for the Pixel 9, while Pro models are rumored to feature a triple camera system, each with a 50-megapixel camera. Additionally, there is a distinction in the finish between the regular and the Pro models, with only the Pro variant featuring a matte back and a glossy frame. Conversely, the regular Pixel 9 opts for a glossy back with a matte frame. Furthermore, the series showcased more rounded corners, similar to the iPhone 15 series, deviating from the Pixel 8 design language. While the details about the rumored Pixel 9 Fold remain uncertain, its existence and Google work on it are acknowledgeable. It is speculated to be launched separately from the rest of the Pixel 9 lineup, while there is no anticipation of the device being unveiled at Google I/O. There is a possibility that we might see a sneak peek in the Google I/O. Stay tuned for more updates on that and share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.